I once believed I had made the best poached egg possible, until I accidentally discovered a secret ingredient that completely changed everything. Therefore, be sure to pay close attention, as this perfectly poached egg with a smooth, moderate moisture level and absolutely balanced flavor will soon become your favorite dish for homemade poached eggs. According to my experience, the most crucial factor determining the success of this dish is using the freshest eggs you can find. Ideally, you should buy them in the morning, as truly fresh eggs have firmer, more compact whites that retain their round, appealing shape when poached. In contrast, eggs stored in the refrigerator for over a week, such as the one I'm holding here, will have a very runny and leaking egg white on the outside, making it significantly more difficult to shape the boiled egg. This is precisely when we begin the rescue mission for these less fresh eggs. To accomplish this, meticulous and accurate preparation from the start is crucial and cannot be overlooked. First, gently crack each egg into a fine mesh strainer, then gently swirl to allow the excessively runny, water-leaking egg white to drain down below, leaving only the firm egg white surrounding the yolk. After completely removing the runny egg white, carefully place the cleaned egg portion into a small bowl or shallow ceramic dish. Doing so will create the most favorable conditions for the next step, which is gently and decisively pouring the eggs into boiling water without breaking the yolk or distorting the egg's shape. Persistently repeat this meticulous process with all the eggs you plan to use for your dish, because each egg deserves such care to ensure the final product is as uniform and perfect as possible. Bring the water to a boil, then reduce the heat to the lowest setting. You should only see tiny bubbles at the bottom of the pot, and absolutely avoid a rolling boil. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil to the pot. The oil will prevent the egg white from sticking to the bottom, keep the egg from becoming clumpy, and create a smooth surface on the egg while poaching, without leaving an unpleasant taste. Use a spoon to swirl the water into a strong whirlpool, then gently lower the egg into the center. You'll see the egg white naturally swirl around the yolk. It's really beautiful. Immediately after adding the eggs, set the timer precisely for 3 minutes to achieve a perfectly poached egg with a runny yolk, golden yellow, and smooth texture. However, if you prefer a slightly firmer yolk, slightly thicker and more cooked, you can add an additional 30 seconds to achieve the desired consistency without making the egg too dry or hard. When the time is up, quickly use a spoon to gently lift the perfectly poached eggs out of the pot without tearing or deforming them. If you want to prepare this dish in advance or cook for a large group, you can immediately transfer the poached eggs into a bowl of ice-cold water. This will instantly stop the cooking process inside the yolk and preserve the desired runny consistency. I'll show you how to reheat them later to maintain their fresh flavor. If you want to boil multiple eggs at once without creating water swirls for each one, you can completely do so by directly dropping the eggs into the water. Naturally, the shape of the eggs may be slightly flatter and less round compared to the swirling water method, but this does not significantly affect the quality or flavor of the dish. Therefore, you just need to gently drop each egg into the water, and for the last egg, you may notice a slight leakage of the egg white, but the main shape of the egg remains intact, and after exactly 3 minutes, you can carefully lift all the eggs out using a spoon with a groove. If after removing the egg, there are still any small excess strands of egg white clinging around, you can use kitchen scissors to gently cut them off, creating a clean and eye-catching shape for the egg. In fact, this is the secret method that restaurants often use to achieve perfectly shaped, sculpted eggs. If you find the traditional method with swirling water or direct immersion not interesting enough or wish to try a more novel approach, where are you watching this video from? Please comment below and let me know. It's so great to know that we have viewers all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, you can subscribe by hitting the subscribe button. It means a lot to see your support. I will introduce another method, which is the spoon method. First, rinse the spoon with clean water, then apply a thin layer of cooking oil inside the spoon to prevent sticking, making it easier for the egg to slide out when cooked. Next, pour the cleaned egg whites through a sieve into the bowl, then gently place the bowl's base on the surface of the boiling water, without letting water into the bowl, until the whites at the bottom begin to set and change texture from liquid to thick, slightly cloudy. At this point, gently tilt the bowl to let the entire egg slide into the water. Continue cooking over low heat for another 2 minutes, then remove. I find this method more interesting because you can clearly observe each stage of texture change in the egg whites under the influence of heat. However, the only limitation of this whisk method is that it requires you to handle each egg individually, which is quite time-consuming and labor-intensive, making it tiring and inconvenient if you have to prepare too many eggs at once for a party or a large group. Now let's take a moment to appreciate the result after those moments of waiting. The poached eggs appear truly captivating, round and neat, like shimmering pearls peeking out from a clear, pristine water. The outer white is covered by a delicate, silky membrane, like velvet, tenderly embracing the yolk within. There are no stringy white strands or excess fluffiness. Each egg has a natural shape, beautiful like a tiny masterpiece skillfully gifted by nature. The sparkling light on the egg's surface further enhances their freshness and the perfection in every soft curve. The most fascinating moment arrived. The spoon gently sliced through the egg, peeling away the pale white shell to reveal the vibrant pinkish yolk still glistening with life. With just a gentle touch, the smooth golden yolk began to slowly flow out, seeping through the soft white strands like a sunlit waterfall cascading down. The rich, warm, and aromatic scent rose, mingling with the earthy flavor of the egg, creating an incredibly delightful and irresistible sensation. The first sensation on the tongue was the harmonious blend of the creamy, melting white and the rich, velvety yolk, a sweet, pure flavor so exquisite it left one sighing in delight. That's it for this video. If you have any comments or thoughts, please leave them below. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a like. And remember to share this video with your friends and family. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for your support. Goodbye, and I'll see you in the next video.